You found unicorn fidget.
見つけた。
You found controller fidget.
ラッキー。
You found fish fidget.
わあ、すごい。
You found llama fidget.
すごいすごい。
Wait, I was mute. Okay.
ピカピカ。
What else?
おめでとう。
Stop it. Okay, there we go. Oh, guitar fidget. I found 6. Okay, can I go already then? Oh wait, I'm gonna check my puppet. I need one. I need the basket.
You're almost there.
Oh yeah. Oh, we need to go outside. I'm going outside, okay?
Ay, kain pa.
Kasi kumain eh. Post mo kaya muna, kumain muna.
Kain naman ako siya yung nagpapasuko. Ano? Ba't mo kinain sa akin?
Ito.
Okay.
Ito ma-enjoy eh. Ay, happy sa Spanish.
Okay. I found one. A football fidget. I need more. I need
How do I
one.
go up?
I need one more. I need one more.
How do I go?
What? One more. I need one more.
You already got?
I need a helmet fidget. Oh, up there. Okay. I have to go up there.
I already got pineapple before.
Yeah. I keep falling up.
I already got ultimate.
Oh, there.
What's this?
What's this? Oh. Yes, I'm going, Kia. Where am I going? Oh, there, over here. Where are you? I need you. Where are you yet? Oh my gosh. I have 3 minutes. Haha. Okay, I'm in the bathroom.
I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm coming, sister.
Found the foot.
You foot.
Where are you? Oh, where? I stole her puppet. Wait, we can spawn. Kia, we can spawn fidgets. Kia, we can spawn fidgets. Try it. Cute frog fidget. What's under here? What the heck? Frog? I have to go all the way. Whoa! An octopus fidget. Wait, I need to go to this. There is. Where is the one fidget? One that wish. One. Open. that shower spot.
Ito yung tamang napag-
Ah! Kia, come here.
Okay.
Wait, aren't you eating?
Yung design. Pero kung baga, pinagbago
I just popped his bubble. I mean,
yung susunod na gagawin.
okay, I need one more.
I already get the fidget.
I need one more, I think. No, I need two. Need two
know.
more. Where is? Oh, no, I fell. Grr. I fell off. No. I have 14 fidgets.
Okay. No, never mind.
I need the turtle one. So we're gonna find the turtle one. Hey, where is the turtle one?
Let's play, Yati.
Okay.
Let's play.
Oh, the turtle one is up there. Ah.
I need to get some pop.
Ah. It's so fun to play with your fidget. Oi. I almost did it. Why am I in the toilet? Ah,
Can I go in the
yes.
toilet?
Yes.
Inside. We need to go
Wait, how did... Oh, okay, I'm so glad. I have to climb all the way up there. Kia.
Open!
Yeah, did you get that?
I already.
Oh, because I got you that. Oh, oh. Whoa there. I think you already played this game already. Wait, jump here. Kia, I'm coming. Yes, I'm gonna get turtle. Then we can go to the kitchen. Right? Or is it the sewers? E. Okay, come on, Kia. We have to go get pops. Okay, I'm in here. Come here, Kia. Where are you? Where are the... Kia, come here. Did you find this fidget? Did you find it? Did you find your jigsaw? Yes. Yo, you found it already. Okay. I have to go there. Come here. Did you come here? Follow me. Careful. There's traps in here. Now climb. I mean, crawl. Here, there's traps. Be careful. Stop. Careful. Where should we go? Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Aha. Come here. I'll get you. Oh, you won't die, I promise. This is so easy. Told you. Now you know how to get.
Not yet.
No, it's not.
I'm here, sister.
Joink. We have to go.
One.
What happened?
Finish the game.
What? Oh, there's a banana. A banana. I mean, a pineapple. Kia, did you get the burger?
Nope. Or already.
Check it in your pocket section. It's kitchen. Okay, you're missing the burger and the banana. Come here, Kia. The burger's up here.
I get you. You're a baby.
I'm gonna.
I have 19 to pops.
Whoa, cuter.
That's a lot.
Yeah, that's a cuter. Now you need to come to me. See that burger puppet?
Hey! Whoa, that was close.
Boink. Now you need a banana. Okay, come here. I think I know where the banana is. Oh yeah, the banana's over there. Okay, so we have to get up
I
there.
have 21.
Here we have to get up there. Hurry. Jump. Jump. Oh. Jump. I'm here. The banana fidget.
Ah! I meant the toaster.
Yeah. Oh, it's toasty Roblox.
I already got that.
Get.
that.
Got pala got. What is that person?
I already got it.
What is that person?
How do we go there? Oh yeah, there's a sticky situation. I'm gonna go up and get it on.
I'm gonna get that later. First, I'm going here.
I'm going to get it later.
The banana.
I need to get it now.
Yeah, you have to get it now or else you will not. Go.
I got it now.
You,
I want the kitchen.
wait, you have to wait for me. You're gonna leave me?
No.
Okay, this is kind of hard. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Need to get the apple.
Uh-oh, I already got it though.
Okay.
I need the french fries. Where is that? Over here.
I already collect this french fries.
Ooh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna jump. Jump! I'm already jumping. This is bad.
Ate, want to look at something?
What? I'm doing something. I'm doing something. No. Okay, I'll do this one. Oh, I got a french fries. Oh, hi, Kia. Potato fidget.
Did you already get a banana?
Yeah, no, not yet.
You need to get it.
That's my last one. Okay, I need that one. So we're going to the sewers. And Batman is there. Why are we not fast? I'm going. Climbing. Let's go. Where is the room? Haha, I'm gonna go. And go. Okay, before you go to the toilet, Kia, there is a little up here. Come here. Let's go up here. Up here. Where is it? Oh, there. Claim it. It's a whale fidget. Oh, what? A Kujira. Okay, I'm going in the toilet. Are you ready? So, whoa. Ew. Ew. There's a poop fidget.
Can you get it?
Yes. What the? I'm up here. I'm getting poop.
A poopy and a poopa.
Jump, jump. Ew. Siren head fidget. Whoa. Kia, before you go there, remember there's a butterfly here. Come here. Behind. Don't press that. Don't press that. Over here. Come here. Okay. Safe. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, you have to. What did you do? I got 27. Yeah, over here. Over here. Climb. Over here.
It's when they disconnected you.
Yeah, they disconnected there. Claim it. There you go. I thought you were gonna get disconnected or something. Oh no, I have to not press the white. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, hurry, cut me. Pop it. Hi. Yes. Next, come here. Come here.
I got small fidget.
Oh, where did you get that?
Over there.
Where?
In the puppets.
I'll try to get that. How did I die?
I died too.
Uh-oh. Okay, we're here.
Hey, this guy.
Where's the small fidget?
At the gray one.
Gray one. I have to pop everything?
I mean the brown one.
Oh, okay. I have to pop everything?
Where'd it go? Help!
Maybe the small fidget wasn't real.
I got it.
Show me nga. You can't. What? There's only 2. Oh! Oh!
Help me!
Kia, come here. Let's jump. Be careful. Climb.
Mermaid fidget.
I almost fell.
Okay, let's go here. Yeah, you just go there first. Oh no, I forgot this guy.
You found clown.
Kia, it's so scary in here.
What did she go for?
No worry, I think he's stuck.
I think I can go first.
He's literally stuck.
I got it.
Tapi, I'll get it.
How did you get it?
Oh,
You found
cute. I'm gonna go.
He's coming now.
Oh, wait, where's the crocodile fidget? Whoa, there's a secret place. That's so cool. Wait.
You found that fidget. Sugoi sugoi.
No. We need a crocodile fidget. Kia, come over here. In the pipe. Go in the pipe. Now the crocodile fidget is here.
We need
Wait.
to get the bat first.
Crocodile.
Okay, now got this. Over there. I'm gonna go, okay? Whoa. I'm waiting for you. You found it?
No, I died.
Uh-oh. This...
I knew it. It's breaking.
Ew, poopy. Ew. I'm gonna wait for you. What? Oh, it's fine. You're gonna be full.
Oh, my spell. Oh.
You perfect.
Whoa. Almost fell.
You found star fidget.
Let's climb up. I really want you here now.
Can you wait for me?
Okay, fine.
How did you get that? I need the crocodile.
And fidget.
It breaks.
You found circle fidget. Sugoi sugoi. You found diamond fidget.
Phew.
You found hexagon fidget.
I'm breaking it.
Okay, I need the triangle.
You found ribbon fidget.
Whoa! Kiki, I got a crocodile.
Yes, but I got that too. I think.
I need to die.
Okay, I got it. Oh no, I'm already done. Oh, whoa. Okay, I'm going in. What? This is a waste, Tia.
Whoa! I hate falling.
You found dog fidget.
Kimi. What happened?
Cupcake fidget.
Oh my gosh.
What?
You'll have to hurry up.
You found monster ball fidget.
Sewers.
Okay, got one.
You
Jet fidget. Next. Ah! I fell off. I fell off.
What it looks like.
I don't know. What do you mean? Wait, I have to pop. Whoa, VIP.
Clown is still stuck.
There's a VIP fidgets. That is so cool.
I want it.
Yeah, but we can't, because I don't know. Aha, I got a rocket fidget. Where are you?
I'm almost here.
Oh no, you have to hurry. Someone's gonna steal your fidget. I can't. Oh yes, I'm pro. Ah, what? Okay, I have to climb up here. Then what? Okay. Square fidget. Okay, we gotta jump.